Hey everyone! In this video, I will walk you through on how to log into WorkMotion. It's a very simple and quick step. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. Let's tap into Google, and at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and type in WorkMotion login since we are going to log in, and hit enter. And here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here, and tap into that. And there you go, you'll be logged in with this login page. You can see two empty fields, one for your email and another one for your password. Let's tap in your email that is associated with your account. And of course, your password. Also, if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. There's an option that says forgot password. You can tap in right here and it will help you through. And if you want the site to remember your information, then you can tap in this little square box right like this, and it will be marked. Or if you just, let's leave it like that for now. That's it. So also, there are various options for you to log into your WorkMotion account. You can log in through Microsoft or log in through your Google account, since we have already typed in our credentials. Now, to log in, you have to simply tap in that green button that says log in, and you'll be logged into your WorkMotion account, and you'll have access to all the features that WorkMotion has to offer. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. We'll see you in the next video.